Good morning, Daphne. This is Richard here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry on our 2017 Honda Pilot. You didn't mention a trim or color, but we are the largest dealership in the state of Alabama, so we got a wide variety of colors and trims for you to choose from. As you can see behind me, we got a line full of brand new Honda Pilots. So please give me a call, 205-541-2862, so I can pick out one for you, have it pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. If I can promise you one thing when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.